So, today is a special day. Ayan So, nakalagay dyan, Santa Cruz 2026. Ang date is May 22, 5 p.m. First kong nakita. Hello! Ayan. Maaari pa nila. Para malamig sila. Doon yata yung entrance. Dito sa kabila, dyan din naman yung entrance. Let's go around entrance.
As a matter of speaking, come on down. Congratulations from the Department of Tourism.
Wow.
Very special accredited tour guide. Sino po sila?
Ang dami pala nila.
Oh wow. Hindi lang siya.
Ano po siya, Reyna Elena? Good afternoon, parang Reyna po kayo. Reyna ng langit. O, syempre. Kayo po, Reyna ng peace, kapayapaan. Maganda sa loob, malamig. Malamig dito. Yay! Hello. Hello po, hello. Ang galing, no? It's a good idea na dito sila. Gandang idea.
You have the privilege of facilitating.
Magandang idea. Hello po.
Pero dito na yun, Arami Gramuras yung naging tour ninyo. Ano yung highlight masasabi ninyo sa day tour ninyo?
Third general membership meeting.
I can say po yung tour namin namin ng umaga is what I handled po, which is the San Andres League
Love, ano pala siya? PTAA, BPI, Angels, may mga sponsors
And
pala.
one last message to the PTAA who continuously support not just local tourism, but also local tour guides such as yourself. What do you have to say, especially since the board is here, President Jai is here, and from what we've heard, patuloy mo ang suporta nila sa inyong mga tour guide.
Thank you so much po, PTA, for supporting the BOT accredited tour guides. Maraming salamat po sa mga plataformang inilalahan niyo para sa amin, para mas masecure pa po ang aming kabuhayan bilang mga accredited tour guide.
Thank you very much, Ms. Maricel. And now for your prize, Kathleen, come on down back to the front. Just take a few quick pictures with Ms. Maricel. Oh, nice. Ms. Maricel, may photo ko pa tayo para may remembrance, di ba? Over here, do you want me to hold your cell phone for you?
Elena dyan.
Do you want me to hold your cell phone for you? Ayan, I'll take your picture. Come on, picture kayo. Ako na ang magpipicture sa inyo.
Poblasyon Makati.
May BPI logo pa. O, sige, dito tayo.
We have a lot of people here. We have a lot of travel agencies.
First time in my tenure, photo, video, post, program, calling out some...
Si Winwin Marquez daw ang Reyna Elena. So, abangan natin din sa labas. Ito po, yung mga La Divina Pastora. Okay, tapos ito naman, Reyna Sentenciada. Oo, ito, salamin ng Justisya. Reyna ng Langit. Ayun, na-meet na natin si Reyna ng Langit. Our Lady of Consolation pala yan. Diba? Meron siyang i-belt, black belter, kaya siya si Our Lady of Consolation. Museo de Intramuros. Museo de Intramuros. Nandyan. Ay, nandyan yata sa loob. Iba. Ayan. Kasali din po sa procession. Dito lang siya. Immaculada Concepcion. Siyempre, kasi siya po yung ating ng Intramuros at buong Manila, buong Pilipinas. Actually, ang ating santo patron ay si La Immaculada Concepcion. Ayan. Si Intramuros na bus. Galing.
the innocent who are unjustly condemned. Representing CIC Travel, let's welcome on stage Miss Ayn Nikila Abad, Binibining Occidental Mindoro 2026. Miss World Philippines, Valenzuela 2026. Reyna ng mga Angels, Fire of the Angels. Once again, Reyna ng mga Angeles, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Up next as Reyna ng mga Patriarchas. Honoring the great Old Testament fathers of our faith, Christ, representing Mapua University and the first runner-up winner of Miss Independent International 2026 in Thailand. Please welcome Miss Althea Abanico. Thank you very much, Althea.
Yes.
Coming up as Reyna ng mga Confesores, who strengthens all saints who boldly proclaim their faith. From the Philippine Travel Agencies Association, let's welcome Miss Ellen Covarrubias, PTAA VP for Inbound. Escorted Mr. Rolly Maramo, PTAA. Dr. Evangeline Tantiang Manoto.
Ilang years na
Once again, Reyna ng mga Binremes. Up next, as Reyna ng lahat ng mga banal, crowning the collective glory of the heavenly host.
First daw si ma'am na tatag nito pang third year pa lang ngayon. Wow, galing. Lang. Miss Philippines. Nasa board pala yung pangalan. Reyna lang lahat ng mga banal.
Thank you very much, Ms. Charo, our Reyna ng lahat ng mga banal. But now, coming up to the front, as Reyna ng Santissimo Rosario,
Wow, Reyna ng
celebrating the meditative prayer that leads to Christ from the Lyceum of the Philippines University. Let's welcome Miss Mariel Ann Arakan, escorted by Mr. Christian James Escalona.
Reyna ng Santissimo Rosario. Ayan siya.
Thank you, Maria. Our Reyna ng Santissimo Rosario.
Lyceum.
Coming up
Sa
next
kanina
as
talaga.
Reyna ng mga Bituin,
Oh, wow.
symbolizing the morning star that guides travelers back home, representing the Bank of the Philippine Islands. Please welcome Miss Bianca Abad, escorted by Mr. Judd Antonio. Thank you very much, Bianca, our Reyna ng mga Bituin.
Reyna ng mga Bituin.
Coming up on stage as Reyna ng Kapayapaan, symbolizing harmony for all mankind.
Maria
Representing the
Villarosa Goy.
Intramuros Administration, please welcome Miss Maria Villarosa Goita.
Villarosa Goy.
Our Reyna ng Kapayapaan will be followed at the procession line by the sacred image of Nuestra Señora de la Consolación y Correa, accompanied by Reverend Father Renate Balilo, rector and parish priest of San Agustin Church, the Archdiocesan Shrine of Our Lady of Consolation and Tincture, and the members of the Intramuros administration. She represents Muslim Filipinos who are concentrated in Mindanao and the former Robbie, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Robbie. Faith is a theological virtue by which we believe in God and believe all that He has said. First runner-up of Miss Chinatown, Philippines 2025, escorted by Mr. Kobe Chan. First runner-up, Miss Chinatown, Philippines 2025, escorted by Mr. Tyrone Tan. Mr. Chinatown, Philippines 2025. Charity is the theological virtue by which we love God above all things for His own sake. Please welcome Miss April Jane Oriente, escorted by Mr. Jonas Lau. Thank you very much, Nathan. Up next as Infanta Judith, who saved her city through courage and cleverness from the Komedia ng Don Galo of Parañaque. Please welcome Miss Maria Hazel Barba. She represents the biblical widow Judith of Betulia, who saved her city from the Assyrians by beheading their brutal general Holofernes. Also given the Spanish title Infanta or Princess, she carries the severed head of Holofernes in one hand and sometimes, and in this instance, a sword in the other. Thank you very much, Hazel. Please welcome Miss Danielle Vicaldo. The unnamed queen who visited King Solomon was overwhelmed by his wisdom, power, and riches. The legend Aurea narrates how she stopped along a bridge she was crossing and on bended knee venerated a beam that she foretold would become part of the true cross. Samaritana, to whom Jesus revealed the living water, representing Naitas. Please welcome Miss Cecilia Ramos. Reina Samaritana represents Fatima, the Samaritan woman whom Jesus met at Jacob's well in the Gospel of John, where he famously spoke of living water. Up next, as Veronica, who wiped the sweat and blood from the face of Jesus, let's welcome Miss Cherry Caritativo, PTAA Assistant Secretary General, escorted by Mr. Joel Dublin, past PTAA Trustee. Veronica is the brave woman who broke through the Miss Chal Lontok, PTAA PRO, escorted by Mr. Kem Lim, PTAA Assistant PRO. As Reina Rachel, the matriarch whose enduring beauty and story defined a generation. Let's welcome Miss Amy Dematindan, PTAA on. Thank you very much, Reina Rachel. Up next as Maria Magdalena, a devoted disciple of a wealthy woman from the town of Magdala. She played the most important role as a provider of the needs of the ministry of Jesus. She is traditionally believed to be the woman who washed the Lord's feet with her tears. Carlo Pincugo, both representing Travel Warehousing. To the Virgin Mary being the most beautiful and fragrant. Once again, our Rosa Mystica, Miss Arian Angeli Bautista, escorted by Carlo Pincugo. Hermanos and hermanas mayores during festivals is a practice carried on from the Philippines, whereby prominent citizens are chosen to be the honorary festival chairs who coordinated with the church's preparations for events, marking the feast of the town's patron saint. They usually serve as hosts for the after-mass fellowship and otherwise supported other aspects of the fiesta's operation. It's 2025, first runner-up and Reina Hispano-Americana Filipinas 2017, Miss Winnie Marquez, escorted by Mr. Alvaro Andres and Constantino, Mr. Cristino Rafael Covarrubias. Her stunning gown is by renowned designer Benson Fiesta. She represents Saint Helena herself and holds a cross to symbolize the true cross of Jesus. This considerably prestigious role is often awarded to the most beautiful girl or the most important matron of the pageant. Saint Helena's title, Augusta, or Empress, or Queen Mother, which she received from Constantine in 325 AD. A theory for two representations of the saintly Empress is that several women wanted the role, and this erroneous manifestation was created to accommodate them. And providing the grand, majestic musical score for our procession is the Banda Cuatro de Montalban. Once again, our Emperatriz Elena, Miss Winwin Marquez. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.